Junaid, I have to say, like as Siddharth mentioned, you are already shooting for your third film. It's a very amazing thing that you are doing that. But you were shooting for the other two films even before Maharaj had released. So was it a little nervous for you because you had not seen the reception the audience has given to you, and you were already working on two other films? Was it nervous? How will you be received, and how will the love will be coming your way?
Uh, no, I mean, I I don't think I was really thinking about that so much. We shot Maharaj 3 years ago. After that, I've been doing stage, फिर एक film आई, actually दो फिल्में almost back to back आई, and then Maharaj came out. So no, I don't think I was really focusing on that. I think I was really happy to be working. So yeah.
Before Maharaj, we hardly seen you around the film circle.
Ji.
So we were not relating while seeing Maharaj as a Amir's son. We really felt you as a Karsan Das. So wonderful performance.
Thank you.
I really loved it, and everyone from my family too. So
Thank you so
how
much.
was the prep, and any tips did you get from your great father?
No, we prepped for I think about a year. We were reading with Siddharth sir, with Sneha, with like all of us as well, with my cast members. So yeah, we took our time with it. I think it was one of the first films that were shot after the lockdown. So it was great fun making. Tips from my father. Well, he only gives advice and tips if you ask for them, and only about very specific things. So a bunch of them now, but they're again very, very specific. They're hyper specific about a particular thing. So it's I don't think it makes sense getting into.
Can you say something? You have reduced your weight almost 20 to 25 kgs. Was it true?
Both of them.
I had for the film. Now some of it is back on.
पहले तो मुझे लगता है नेशनल क्रश अभी चेंज होने वाला है सब लड़कियों के लिए, स्पेशली आप बनने वाले हो ना.
Oh,
अच्छा, आई थिंक ही डिडंट गेट
okay.
इट.
No,
He's not on social media. अच्छा, okay, you're thinking, oh, I am the national crush. I didn't
Well,
get
you're
that
talking about
reaction.
me here.
Okay, वैसे
sorry.
प्रेशर्स की बात हो रही थी, मुझे लगता है आमिर सर ने वो पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, नासिर सर का प्रेशर उनके ऊपर था, आपके ऊपर भी ऑफ कोर्स होगा ही, बिकॉज स्टार किड्स का एक अलग वो होता है कि उनको कॉन्शियसली अपने डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं इंडस्ट्री में जब वो आते हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फर्स्ट फिल्म. बट देन मुझे लगता है उससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा प्रेशर रहा होगा कि आप जर्नलिस्ट प्ले कर रहे थे और जर्नलिस्ट के सवालों के जवाब आपको देने पड़ेंगे, तो ये वाला प्रेशर भी था आप पे व्हेन यू वर साइनिंग?
नहीं. Genuinely, मतलब मुझे कहानी अच्छी लगी. I was very excited to work with Yashraj and Siddharth sir, and I did not at that point. Actually, मैं ना इतनी आगे की नहीं सोचता लाइफ में.
That's good.
तो उस वक्त हाँ ये चीज़ें बिल्कुल जहन में नहीं आई थी. Actually, I guess the question is more for Siddharth sir and Adi sir. What were they thinking?
So were you thinking, Siddharth sir, that he would be able to play a journalist really, really well?
Like I mentioned, I had already seen his test and had interacted with him. So I had the belief, and when we did the readings, in fact, before the final yes was done, Adi sir told us कि 2 हफ्ते लो और पूरी फिल्म पढ़ के आओ. तो फर्स्ट हाफ की पूरी नरेशन की जुनैद ने प्रिपेयर करके, he read the full thing, read it as Karsan. So you have to give the actor credit for the passion and dedication he has put
Of course.
to deliver. 1 साल रोज उसने ये पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी,
Incredible.
and to give that dedication and passion, and when we keep saying star kid, he is not a star kid. He's a star kid in real life, but he doesn't behave anything like a star kid. He's a very, very real and honest person.
Oh, wow.
And there's no nepotism tag that can be applied on this kid at all. It can't. So anyway, I mean, that's my answer. He's put in all the mehnat, and to play a journalist or any character, I think the kind of actor he is, he will always give his 100%.
जुनैद सर, आपके लिए क्वेश्चन कि यू आर ए सन ऑफ आमिर खान, तो जब आपको ऐसे रोल्स आते या फिर आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट आता तो आपके ऊपर तब कितना प्रेशर था कि लोग कितना मतलब देखेंगे, डिफरेंस देखेंगे कि आमिर खान सर एक ऑलरेडी स्टार है बड़े, और आप अभी जस्ट शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं नेपोटिज्म के नाम पे भी लोग ट्रोल करते हैं जब किसी मतलब स्टार किड्स का कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहा होता है, तो आपके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर रहता है?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता इतना प्रेशर था. माय फैमिली इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव, तो उनकी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर नहीं था. मेरे डायरेक्टर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव, मेरे प्रोड्यूसर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव हैं. माय कास्ट मेंबर्स वर फैंटास्टिक टू वर्क विथ. तो मुझे वो प्रेशर कहीं से फील नहीं हुआ. तो इनफैक्ट वो जहन में भी नहीं आया कि कोई कंपेयर. आई डोंट थिंक, क्योंकि I don't think Maharaj is the kind of role Papa would go for now in any case. जी.